Once you receive your time clock from Dominion, there are a few steps in order to get it set up. The first thing you will need to do is mount the clock on the wall. The clock comes with a mounting bracket, backplate, and screws. There is also a leveling guide and measuring tape if needed. Once the clock is mounted on the wall, use the power cord and Ethernet cable provided in the box. Plug in both the Ethernet and power cord into the clock and the wall. This will power the clock. Once the clock is powered up, the next step is getting the clock connected to the internet. Go to the menu. The menu is located in the bottom right of the screen display. Once you are in the menu, select the COM icon. Next, select Ethernet. You can assign an IP address manually. If you do this, you'll need to make sure you update the gateway and DNS. The second option is to turn on the DHCP option. This will automatically pull an IP address from your network. Once you have an IP address assigned to the clock, go back to the check-in menu. There is also a barrel with a globe in the far right corner. If there is no red X in the globe, that means the clock is connected to the internet. If there is still a red X in the globe, try unplugging the clock from the wall and plugging it back in. If the red X is still present, you may not have a connection. Check to make sure the Ethernet cable is plugged in and the port cable is plugged in and active. To enroll users, go back to the main menu. Next, select User Management, then select New User. Populate the user ID field with the employee number that is set up in Dominion. It is very important that the number on the clock matches the number in Dominion. The system identifies the punch and who it belongs to by the user ID. Next, select the face field. The clock will ask the employee to focus their eyes inside the green box. Once the face is registered, you can move on to registering your next employee. Note, there are other options for registering employees. They can use either a card or password as well. If you are a new client receiving a clock, employees may already be registered. If that is the case, you will want to go to User Management, select All Users, then select Edit to enroll their face. If you have multiple clocks, employers use an attendance manager software to upload and delete users from multiple clocks. See the user manual included with the clock on downloading and using the attendance manager application.